This is the Residence Inn by Marriott in Manchester. So as you come in, you've got sofa, TV, you've got chairs. It's like a kitchen area. Got like a hob on the top there. Fridge. There's like a freezer box in there. Toaster, kettle, microwave. Ooh, even a dishwasher. That's pretty cool. And that's like a full-size one as well, not like a mini one. Drawers with all your utensils and stuff in. That's pretty good. And in the middle, there's loads and loads of space here. In the middle, you've got like a full-length wardrobe. It's got extra pillow, ironing board, and there's a safe. I've got a feeling that the sofa might be like a pull-out sofa. Yeah. Drawer with a, oh, it's a bit stuck. Hairdryer in there. Another TV, desk area. It's got two massive windows. They're like full length, floor to ceiling. It's pretty cool. And then bathroom. Bath with a shower over it. But yeah, this is the Residence Inn by Marriott in Manchester.